Welcome, adventurers of the digital realm. Today, we'll explore building a personalized IPTV server. First, let's gather our essentials: a reliable computer, some server software, and an internet connection. Next, we choose the right software to drive our IPTV. Flexibility and features are key considerations. After software selection, we delve into network configuration, ensuring seamless streaming ability throughout. Be sure to double-check bandwidth requirements. We're aiming for smooth, uninterrupted streaming delight. Now, let's talk channels. Acquiring a range of content providers elevates your server to new heights. For seamless channel integration, rely on compatible software protocols. They ensure coherent functioning. Before we finalize, it's wise to test the server's functionality and verify the accessibility of streams. Here's a quick tip. Always keep your software updated so your server remains efficient and secure. Customization is key. Personalize themes, layouts, and functionalities to match your viewing preferences. Feeling adventurous? Experiment with innovative features like on-demand programs or live broadcasts. Remember, our goal is ultimate streaming freedom. Explore potential distributor partnerships for exclusive content. It's empowering to have control over your media, blending curiosity and entertainment how you desire. Check out our description links for recommended tools and providers to enhance your IPTV journey. With everything set, welcome unlimited streaming possibilities from your unique IPTV server creation. Ready to stream like never before? Share this video, subscribe for more exciting tech insights.